We've got a lot to do today. We're going to be installing faux beams and we're going to be putting insulation and sheetrock on our last wall. You think we got this, babe?
We got this, baby.
We got this.
But first, let's go shopping. Let's go.
He dropped it again.
You tried to steal it from me. We need a total of 4. A total of 4. And you only have 3. This is crazy.
So Greg and I are having a debate. I believe that we're gonna need more sheetrock. He only got 3.
No.
And I'm telling him to get at least 1 more.
It is not going to get that far. She says we need 5. I say we need 4. That's it.
What? You said we need, excuse me, sir. He said we need 1, 2, 3. If we need more than 3, we're gonna do something. Shake on it. If we need more than 3, then you owe me an hour. An hour. An hour massage.
I can do it with 3. 3 sheets of sheetrock that we're gonna use.
And I
today.
say 4 or 5. So
because we have enough scrap
okay.
to fill the remainder.
Nope. You said.
That's
so
right. I said. Bye.
You guys are hearing it.
She's gonna owe me.
Massage is gonna feel so good tonight.
Okay guys, I'm back home. Getting ready to get up this ladder to see where I'm gonna make my cuts to blow in this insulation. Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Oh my God. Kids. So this is gonna be my midpoint right here. I see the insulation. This is the 2nd story room. This is Nani's room right here. That's Nani right there. Hi, Nani.
Hi.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is probably take this piece off to find out where we're gonna be at. I assume it's gonna be this board I'm probably gonna have to take out. Actually, I'll start with this board here. Take this off, and that'll be my top point where we're gonna blow the insulation to go all the way down. And then we're gonna finish it off with a Tyvek. Right, Nani? You helping me out tomorrow, right?
Hi.
Oh, there's the girls. Highly energetic.
You all the time.
Hi. Let's get started. Okay guys, I've cut out this whole channel here, and I'm gonna start blowing my insulation from this top point right here and let it fall right in place, let it fill all the way up the cavity, and just put my caps back on. One thing I did forget is this light. My wife wanted this on the outside of the house for a night light because we already have our existing lights that we just installed. So I'm gonna quickly do this, get everything off. All right guys, so I got this all out as you see here. Now I have, this is what I do. I'm gonna plan on installing this electrical box. I'm not gonna cover it up. I'm gonna get some extension rings on it when I do get ready to install it, but this is where I'm gonna put it. This wire is gonna go straight in. I have some clamps that are gonna clamp into the box so it's gonna be secure, nice and safe. And when I get ready to cover it, I'm just gonna etch this out. Put extension rings on it so I can still access it even when the sheetrock is up. So one thing about these, if you make a box or a connection, you want to make sure not to cover it up because you just never find it. Other than that, let's get this going. Let's get this going.
He had to come outside because the lighting inside sucked.
The lighting was so horrible.
The lighting?
All right, so the lighting. the lighting. All right, so take this. So this is gonna be my beam right here. These little knockout little holes here, I'm just gonna push this right out. Take that right out. Take this, do the same thing, because I'm gonna have another connector. One's gonna be wire is gonna be here, the main feed. The other feed is going to be, I could probably put that right here. All right, knock that out. That's what they call them, knockouts. Knock them right out.
He's teaching you guys how to count.
2 times 2 is, what is it?
Greg, are you serious? You don't even know what it is. Do you?
I hope so.
What is it?
Oh my God.
Now you gotta answer, because now it's...
come on. Keep this open like that. And now it allows me room for the wire to get right through. And now I have another interruption. Hey, boo-boo. How are you?
Good.
How are you today?
Good.
You doing good? How's your day going?
Good.
Yeah?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I do it outside.
You going outside?
Yes.
What are you gonna do out here? You don't know?
No.
Oh, well, there's plenty to do out here, girl.
It's hot out here.
Oh, it is hot out here. It's almost summertime. You ready for the ocean?
Yes.
You don't know what the ocean is, do you?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. One thing about Gracie, when she says her yeses are yeses and her no's are no's, she's very sure. She never stutters like me. Okay? Just let you know.
Gracie, who's your best friend?
Daddy, my friend.
See how quick she is?
Daddy, my best friend.
Oh, wow. What's your superpower?
My height.
See? No stuttering. No stuttering. All right, boo-boo, you gotta get back inside.
Gracie, you wanna go in the potty?
No.
Gracie, you wanna go in the potty?
Daddy, I can't go outside.
Okay. This makes you not want to work. This metal clad cable, this is the connector that grips right onto it, and the screw compresses right on the clad cable. That's it. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to blow in my insulation and oh my gosh, now the girls are getting ready for gymnastics. So you guys are not gonna help me with the insulation right now, right? No, that's
Yes,
not gonna happen. Alright guys, see you later. Bye. Okay guys, I got all the insulation in. That's one thing I did not video, but you see the evidence on the floor. Good God. See, it was a messy, but we got it all done. I have one bag extra, which I am gonna return and use that money towards something else. But as you see, all the insulation, see between the voids, that it is all filled. All right, so other than that, so now what I'm gonna do is just put my Tyvek over this now, and then put my sheetrock over. It's time to put on the Tyvek. Here it is. This is it, baby. We're gonna clean up, unwrap that, and start putting it all over this wall. Let's get going. Okay guys, I Tyvek'd all the way from the bottom all the way up to the top.
I helped you.
Everything, yep, she helped me. There she is, coming at the last minute.
You sent me to 7-Eleven to get him a drink.
Oh.
And to get the Czar stain. Don't play with me, don't be trying to talk about me.
Well, she got it.
Uh-huh.
Can't talk no junk today.
And I got your beef patty.
Can't talk no junk today. So anyway, we got everything wrapped up. I did not tape it. Wherever there's a seam, you want to Tyvek tape it to prevent any heat loss from coming through. And right now I'm gonna start another attempt at the faux beams. Gonna work with that outside, but I know I can get this the second time. Let's go. Here, I don't think it came out too bad. I'm looking at it like this. I kind of like the way it looks, except for when I got here. I went a little crazy here, okay? I admit that. But other than that, I think it has the look that I want, you know, in here, especially in this area. So I'm gonna just rough it over with the grinder, and then I'm gonna burn it with a torch, very lightly, and it should give me the look that I want. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you come take a close-up look at this, look at that. Look at that. It is looking really, really, really good. I got the help.
All right, so in order for him to put the beam, he has created, go ahead, babe.
I created holding blocks, which I'm going to screw into, and this will be my anchoring system when I put the beam up. That's right.
So basically every single place that those are at is where the beam will be screwed into. All right, guys, our battery had died, but look how beautiful that looks. He is cutting the next beam so then we can put it on the other side. Oh, honey, what angle did you cut the top? Is that a 30?
No, this is a little bit more than a 45. So I had to do some tricky measure cutting. The night is over. The faux beams are installed. I love the way it came out. Check it out. I love it. I love it. Unfortunately, I did not finish the whole entire job. I've got one ladder, but we've got one more week to put the rest of the faux beams up on this side. We managed to get all this insulated, got it Tyvek wrapped, and this is all ready to go. My wife did start the sheetrock a little bit down there, and we are going to continue this journey. Next week, we're going to have the sheetrock done, the faux beams done.
What did I tell you about telling them what we're going to do next week?
Listen, it's going to be done.
We're going to do what we can do. That's it.
Listen,
no more.
It's going to be done. It's going to be done. Hey, listen, when you have 2 full-time jobs and you got family issues, things going on, hey, we got it done. We're bossing it, baby.
Yeah, we are.
That's right. That's right.
And I just wanted to say, if everyone can send out prayers and love to the Pena family who recently lost, my brother-in-law recently lost his father. It was been very, very tough, but you know what? With your prayers,
thank you.
Through it.
Thank you. Thank you for the prayers. See you next week. More to come.
Bye.